hello my test guys, welcome IPH All-Stars Battle Royale Tournament. Okay, marami po tayong mga sumali ngayon mga guys. Ito po sila, dito si Papa Mark nasa ilalim syempre. Oo. Welcome guys sa ating Battle Royale Tournament. Good luck sa inyo. First place gets a Battle Pass, second place gets 200 CP, and the third place gets 100 CP. Good luck sa inyo guys. We are starting in 3, 2, 1. Yes, eto na po ating mga participants. They are now loading guys. Eto na po sila. Good luck po sa inyo guys. Ang ating rule, simple lang. No vehicles, no sniper, no shotgun. Simple lang eh, no? 200 HP, 200 recovery. Kaya matatagal to mga mamatay to mga tao dito. Oo. Uy, ba't may Ravager? Bawal po ang may Ravager guys ha. Wala pong Ravager tayo guys. No Ravager, no Ravager. Bawal po ang Ravager sa atin guys. Na-cancel natin to kapag ano. Okay, let's start. Pag may nakita po akong Ravager, cancel po natin ang ating Battle Royale Tournament at magre-restart po tayo. Nag-update na po ako kanina. No Ravager po tayo. Nalagyan ng Ravager. Ano yun? Let's see. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano po ang mangyayari. Yes, IPH Tantan, si Raikage, si Zexo, Creamy, Snowflake, Rasta, Zero, si Death Clicker, si Mizuki, Mental, Keroshi, si Karika, yes, si Sigmas, opo, Kaged, Hospital, Tokyo, at si Mekus si Papa Mike. Let's see, tingnan natin. First to see, sino ba? Si Tantan. Ito po si Tantan guys. Magaling po ito guys. Ito po yung isa nating mga Wonder Kids. Si Raikage, si Melvin Moriria guys. Isa natin may kalaban na kagad si Melvin at malapit na kagad si Zero. Oh my god. First blood gets natin kagad kay Melvin Moriria. Zero, sorry si Zero. Oo, na ano siya, na starstruck kagad si Zero. Oo. Creamy, nandito si Creamy. Opo. Snowflakes. Nandito po si Snowflakes. Ladies and gentlemen. Opo. We have Rasta. We have Zero. Oh, Death Clicker. Mizuki. We have Mental. Kiroshi. Karka. Nandito lang siya. Uy, maganda strategy niya. Hindi ka mamamatay dito. Totoo naman. Pero marami kang makukuha dito ng mga legendaries. This one. Signos. Opo. Si Sis nandito. Adrey. Perry. Ito si Caleb. Hospital nandito. Tokyo. Mekus. Nandito rin si Mekus. Si paring Mike. Si Papa Mike. Opo. Let's see. Tingnan natin. First blood natin. Nakuha kagad ni Mr. Morilia. Si Raikage. That's good. Si Zero namatay agad. Grabe yun. Oo. Dito si Tantan. Nandito si Medvin, Morilla,
Chip terminal
Rekage.
is almost ready.
Dito si Creamy. Si Snowflakes, nandito po. Uy, wakit kay Tantan. Tingnan natin. Ayun na sila. Mukhang maglalaban ng dalawa. Let's see. Snowflakes versus Tantan, guys. Ito na. Ay, hindi pala Tantan yun. Sorry. Sino kalaban ni Snowflakes?
The safe zone is collapsing.
Tingnan natin, guys. Ito po yun. Sino kaya kalaban ni Snowflakes, guys? Rasta, ang ating Battle Pass winner nung huli. Tama ba? Oo. Kasama niya si Cream Silk, which is ngayon si Zarka na ba ngayon ang pangalan? Karka. Oo. Si Zero pala nandito. So, sino yung namatay? Si Zexo yata yung namatay kanina. Sorry, si Zero is still alive. Nandito pala. Alive and breathing. Si Deathlicker nandito. Dito rin si Mizuki, guys. Mizuki. We have Mental. Kiroshi. Oo. Karka. Okay, dito pa rin si Cream Silk. Tamang ano yan.
Airdrop incoming.
Uy, ito pala si Uncle. Uncle Oliver. Nandito po, guys. Uncle Oliver. Siyempre, nandito si Adrey. Terry is here. Tingnan natin po ang ating labanan po dito. Uy, nakita ni Perry si Creamy. Malapit sila. Tingnan natin, diskartihan nila dito, guys. Kung anong mangyayari. Let's see, ano ba ang sitwasyon ngayon ni Creamy? Si Creamy nandito. Nandito lang siya sa may bus station. Sa may top ng bus station. While si Perry, kung di ako nagkakamali, ay nakaabang din lang. Alam niya na nadyan na talaga si Uncle Kenneth.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Yab Hospital,
Airdrop has been delivered.
Tokyo, and Mekosmith.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Uy, may namatay.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Matay si Tokyo. Naku, grabe. Sorry, Tokyo. Try again tayo. Si Papa Mark, syempre. Papa Mark, ano yan. Ating BR expert talaga yan. Since then, nakilala ko na yan. Talagang malupit sa BR to. Wala pala si Papa JJ. Nasa si Papa JJ? Mr. Lada nawawala. Tantan. Nandito si Tantan, guys. First time yata. Second time ni Tantan na sumali. Oo.
Airdrop incoming.
Dito si Raikage. Dito si Cream Silk. Pansinin nyo, guys, wala po tayong kahit anong vehicles. Kaya talaga maglalakad po kayo all throughout sa buong laro natin. Snowflakes nandito. Snowflakes kinakain na po ng zone. Ang problema lang is okay lang yan. Kasi 200 HP tayo, guys. Kaya maganda. Rasta is here. So meron pa si Zero.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Si Zexo pala yung kaninang namatay. Sorry, first blood si Zexo. Deathlicker. Nandito si Deathlicker. Grabe. Mizuki is here. Mental. Nandito po si Mental. Buhay pa si James Yuriko. Naalala ko yung mga unang battle royale nito. Ito ang unang frag parate. Pero ngayon, big improvements. Si Cream, isa sa ating mga battle pass first runner up. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Siyempre si Signos nandito. Magkapatid dyan, Signos and Perry. Mga IPH natin ang kapatid. Enjoy, guys. We are IPH All-Stars. Shout out tayo, guys. IPH All-Stars, guys.
Airdrop incoming.
Ito po si Uncle Oliver. Oo.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Adri. Nako, patay tayo, Adri.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Nakaano ka. Bawal ka, sorry. May
Airdrop has
nakita
been
na kagad ako na ano.
Airdrop
May
has been delivered.
nagkamali yata
Airdrop
sa
has been delivered.
settings. Binago ko settings
Airdrop has been
kanina.
delivered. Airdrop has
Oo,
been delivered.
kinetic station lang po sana tayo guys.
Airdrop
Nako,
has
si
been
Tantan
delivered.
naka-Ravager
Airdrop
din.
has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered.
Okay, may tama po guys. Yun, pataya na sila. Si Papa Mark talaga, grabe. Napakate. Napatay si Uncle. Sorry Uncle, oo, nakatapat mo si Papa Mark. Alam mo naman yung kilusan niyang tao na yan. Naku, naka-fennec na si Papa Mark guys.
Airdrop has
Si
been
Tantan,
delivered.
naka-Ravager. Tantan,
Airdrop has been
please lang,
delivered.
huwag mong gamitin yung Ravager. Magre-restart tayo pag gumamit ka ng Ravager. Pag may tinamaan ng Ravager.
Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered.
Feeling ko dapat natin i-restart to.
Airdrop incoming.
Okay,
Airdrop
snowflakes.
has been
Nandito si
delivered.
snowflakes.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Dito po si Rasta. Yes,
Airdrop has
Rasta.
been delivered.
Oo, Ravager lang po tayo sa
Airdrop
ano.
has been delivered.
Oo, so far ang nakita ko si Tantan, naka ano.
Airdrop
Ay,
has been
Ravager
delivered.
naka ano, kinetic station lang po tayo.
Airdrop has been
Please lang,
delivered.
wala pong gagamit ng
Airdrop has been
Ravager.
delivered. Airdrop has been delivered.
Signals,
Airdrop has been delivered.
assist. Si
Airdrop
Adri.
has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered.
Tapos
The safe
Nekos.
zone is collapsing. Airdrop has
Let's
been
see
delivered.
guys.
Airdrop
Tantan,
has
please
been
lang, huwag ka gagamit ng
Airdrop
Ravager.
has been delivered.
Lugi tayo,
Airdrop
kay
has been
Kage.
delivered. Airdrop has been
Snowflakes.
delivered. Airdrop has
Rasta.
been delivered.
Zero.
Airdrop has
Death
been
Picker.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Mizuki.
Airdrop has been
Mental.
delivered. Airdrop has been delivered.
Cargo.
Airdrop has
Signals.
been delivered.
Sisist.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Perry.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Caleb.
Airdrop has been
Yun.
delivered. Airdrop has been delivered.
Ito si ano,
Airdrop
hospital.
has been
Oo.
delivered.
Sa mental
Airdrop has been
hospital.
delivered.
Papa Mark binabaril si Papa Mark guys. Binabaril.
Airdrop incoming.
May kalaban. Yun na po. Ay, maraming kalaban dito.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Uy, naka ano. Si Papa Mark, naka AK-117 na pala ngayon. Grabe, Papa Mark. Hiyamanin si Papa Mark talaga. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Tingnan natin to. Si Tantan ba? Nadyan pa? Sana huwag mong gamitin ng Ravager mo, Tantan. Please lang. Ka-Ravager si Tantan. Let's go, Tantan. Ayun yan. Takbo, Papa Mike. Grabe. Talagang hinabay si Papa Mike. Si Tantan, naka-Ravager. Siya na lang naiwan na naka-Ravager.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Sorry. Hindi nag-ano yung settings. Pero inayos ko ulit. Actually, yung settings kanina pinakita sa akin na may Ravager. Inayos ko siya, in-adjust ko. Hindi ko lang na-double check. Sorry.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Rasta is here. Oo, Zero. Si Zero. Still alive.
Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has
Uy.
been delivered.
Napatay, uy. Batay ni Mental si Death Clicker. Nice one, Mental. Grabe si James. Mahataw na. Ano lang po ba? Uy, patay sa Caleb. Hindi namatay po doon. Patay po si Caleb. Nako, nakita na po sila ni Zero. Nako, Tantan.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Si Tantan, nagpapanggap na ba to, guys? Huwag po kayo maglalagay. Huwag ka maglalagay ng Ravager, please. Try ko tawagan si Tantan. Yan, Ethan De Leon. Siya yan eh. Baka pwede. Huwag mong gamitin Ravager mo, Tantan. Tawagan natin si Tantan para hindi gamitin na Ravager. Nako, naka-game mode yata. Anyway, sana. Let's see.
Airdrop
Ano
has been
nangyari?
delivered.
Guys, may namatay na
Airdrop
naman
has
po.
been
Si Raikage, namatay na po. Doon na lang po tayo.
The
Sino pa
safe
mga
zone
buhay?
is collapsing.
Ang top
Airdrop
frag po
incoming.
natin so far si Papa Mark. Well, obviously, ano naman natin talaga, expected natin yan. Tsaka si Snowflake. Oo. Let's see. Tantan, huwag gagamit Ravager, please. Snowflakes, nandyan.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Rasta. 0. Mizuki. Mental. Si Karka nandito. Si Signos nandito rin. Uncle Oliver. Go, Uncle. Perry. Let's go, Perry. Namatay na. Ayun, si Caleb pala. Nanonood lang pala. Caleb is dead. Hospital. Papa Mark, grabe. Lahat talaga inikot niya. Ating DR expert. Diyan kayo mag-ingat-ingat. Talagang ano yan si Papa Mark. Let's see situation ngayon ni Tantan. Kailangan huwag mong gamitin ang Ravager mo, Tantan. Mahirap. Baka mag-reset tayo. Pag nakapatay ang Ravager mo, patay tayo dyan. You're not following rules honestly, no? Kahit ako nagkamali, it's a bug, sabihin na natin. Pero dapat, wag mong gagamitin ang Ravager mo. Kasi, it's in the rules. Inayos ko na kanina sa settings. Nag-save nga yung settings eh. Ewan ko bakit nagkaganon. Snowflakes. Rasta. Hiding. 0. Nakita na po.
Half of the
Uy,
players
nice
are
one.
eliminated.
0 killed Snowflakes, guys. Nice one, Psycho. Mizuki. Okay. Mental. Karka. Si Sist. Si Perry. Hospital. Si Papa Mark. Ito na po si Papa Mark. May nakita siyang kalaban. Pat muna si Papa Mark. Dalawa eh. Smart move. Sila muna magpatayan. Si Tantan. Ewan ko kung nasan na. Tantan, please huwag mong gamitin ang Ravager mo. Honestly, you will just get disqualified. Ako nang bahala sa'yo if I can give you CP na
Airdrop
lang.
incoming.
If you win, na tayo magagawa. Ravager kasi.
Chip terminal is almost ready. Airdrop has been delivered.
Okay. Rasta, let's go. 0. Dito na. Mizuki.
The safe zone is
Mental.
collapsing.
Okay. Tantan. Dapat si Tantan ang binabantayan natin kasi yung Ravager niya nakakatakot. Papa Mark, grabe Papa Mark, still alive. Yari kayo. Delikado kayo guys. Si Papa Mark nandito. Nasa snow pa. Naka-snowboard pa Papa Mark. Ewan ko na lang kung matatalo ka pa niyan. Tingnan natin.
Down to the last 5 players.
5 players is Tantan. 0. Mizuki. Cream Silk. And Mekos which is Marco. Huwag mong gagamitin Ravager mo, Tantan. It's in the rules. 0. Mizuki. Karka. Mekos, which is smart. Kita ni Papa Mark si Cream. Tantan, huwag ka gagamit ng Ravager please. Sorry pag gumamit ka Ravager.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
0. 5 players guys. Tantan, 0, Mizuki, Karka, and Papa Mark. Nako, Papa Mark. Nandito pa rin si Papa Mark guys. Ingat kayo, ingat kayo, ingat kayo. Hunter po yan. Hunter natin yun. Yan ang malulupit natin sa IPH. Nakita ni Papa Mark siya. Tantan. Okay. Nako, patay. Naglagay. Nakapatay tayo, Tantan. You're not following rules. Kahit na nagkamali ako, you should have read the rules. Ingat guys, ingat guys. 4 players.
Ready for upgrade.
4 player guys, 4 player. Papa Mark is here. Papa Mark, okay. Kapatay si Papa Mark, si Tantan. Nice one, nice one. 3 players, Mizuki, Karka, saka si Papa Mark. Oh my god, yun na.
Almost there.
It's Mizuki versus Papa Mark. Mizuki versus Papa Mark. It's about time na ba Papa Mark manalo ng Bating Battle Royale Tournament? Tagal na natin yun. Ito na po, Papa Mark versus Mizuki.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Okay. Nako, nagdalag si Papa Mark. Wag ka magdalag. Not now.
The safe zone is collapsed.
Grabe, Papa Mark yata mananalo. Mananalo ba si Papa Mark guys? Nanalo si Papa Mark guys. Very good naman Papa Mark. Nanalo rin. Grabe. Very good naman doon. Winner po natin guys sa ating Battle Royale Tournament, si Papa Mark. Sa wakas, nanalo ka rin Papa Mark. Grabe. Ayos, ayos guys. Ayos yun guys. Ayos yun. Oo. Tignan natin ang standing. So, ito na po yun. Karka. Si Mekos, si Mizuki, pati si Karka po. First place goes to Papa Mark, syempre. Then second, si Mizuki. Then si Cream na naman, third place. Grabe. Yan po ang ating Battle Royale Tournament. Thank you guys. This is RG Shakes from IPH All Stars, bringing you our IPH Battle Royale Tournament. Thank you.